touching the food. Oh. Nah. No.
You're tough. A true testament to your many years of service to the guild.
She's trying to get a crumb off your
I
beard.
think she's got it too.
No, she didn't get it. Now she got it.